Hey everyone, today we are going to cover exactly how to use AI-generated video for your HR practice. Today we're going to be looking at Gemini's newest Veo3. Now, unlike other AI which focuses on data scraping or making your hiring more efficient, videos are particularly useful for communication and company culture. It's especially useful for overcoming communication barriers and trying to communicate bulk information really succinctly. One example we're going to be looking at is welcome and onboarding videos. These training videos can be made so much easier when you're employing AI. The first step is you're going to hop into Gemini, and then I'm going to show you how to prompt it. Okay, so what people don't actually realize is that the AI follows a very specific script. So what we're going to do is first ask it to generate a script. Here I specified for the Veo3 format, so it knows exactly what it's working with. And then it gives you all you need to know, all the visuals for a perfect video. Then it can use this script to create a video pretty instantly. After that, I put in the script and I get my video. Now working in clips is going to make this process a little easier because you can be hyper specific and you just compile them all together after and it creates a really lovely video. The bonus is that there is just so much flexibility that can be employed. You can have short form vertical videos, you can have lengthy horizontal long form videos, and it's especially useful for scenario-based training where you're looking at scenarios that you're trying to imagine that would be really hard to film in real life. Now, the last use case is that these videos are especially useful for accessibility and EDI because you can add subtitles and you can add different iconography and different elements that help to breach communication barriers that a lot of people struggle with. Hopefully that helps. This is a really quick video just to tell you that AI video generation can be used for your HR practice. It can be used to convey information in a really personal way to help with branding, help foster connections, and better communication. All it takes is simple prompts. Make sure you get the script, you adjust, and then you get your video.